everyone. Now you are going to learn one more problem in the real numbers, and the question is, show one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is a positive integer. Let me explain this question in detail. So what he suggested in the question, n is a positive integer, so take any positive integer, your wish, and after that find these three values, n plus 2, n plus 4. So I have taken n is equal to x. Next I am going to find out n plus 2, that is it becomes x plus 2. Next I am going to find out n plus 4, that it becomes x plus 4. In these three numbers only one number is divisible by 3, remaining two are not divisible by 3. This is what we have to show. Let me explain this with one example. He asked to take as a number, so I am taking a number randomly, that is 5. Next what we have to do, we have to find out these three values. Already one value is available, that is n is equal to 5. Next we have to find out n plus 2, which is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. One more value we have to find out, that is n plus 4, which is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So according to this question, after finding the results, any one of these three is divisible by 3. So if you see the numbers 5, 7, 9, in this 5 is not divisible by 3, 7 is not divisible by 3, only 9 is divisible by 3. Let me check this with one more example. Let the number be some 11. So n is equal to 11. Next n plus 2, that is 11 plus 2 is nothing but 13. Next I am finding n plus 4, which is equal to 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. So here we have three different values, 11, 13, 15. In these three different values, 11 and 13 both are not divisible by 3, but 15 is divisible by 3. So I hope all of you understood the internal meaning of this one. Take any positive integer, either that number or 2 more than that number or 4 more than that number. Any one of these three numbers are divisible by 3. So I am going to prove it. So here also we are going to use the division algorithm. So let me recall the division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? A is equal to bq plus r, where a is the any positive integer, b is divisor, q is quotient, and r is the remainder. And r value obviously lies in between 0 and divisor. A divisor is b, it may be equal to 0 also. Therefore the condition for r is it is more than or equal to 0 and less than b. According to the given question, n is any positive integer and b is the divisor. B is equal to 3 because he asked to divide with 3, so I am taking b as 3. So n is any positive integer, b is equal to 3, and r values obviously is 0, 1, 2. So we get three different cases to solve. So according to the question, n is any positive integer, b is equal to 3, r values are 0, 1, 2. So that we will get three different cases, and the three different cases are n is equal to 3q, n is equal to 3q plus 1, n is equal to 3q plus 2. So I am going to solve the first one, n is equal to 3q. So here what we have to do in each and every case, we have the value of n. Then next we have to find out n plus 2. Then we have to find out n plus 4. After finding all these three values, which number is divisible by 3? That we have to check. So first of all, in the first case, n is equal to 3q. So as n is equal to 3q, clearly according to the given case, n is equal to 3q. 3q means it is a multiple of 3. Obviously n is divisible by 3. Next I am going to find out n plus 2 here. So what is n plus 2 here? N plus 2 is equal to, here I am adding 2 both sides. So n plus 2 will become 3q plus 2. In this 3q plus 2, 3q is divisible by 3, whereas 2 is not divisible by 3. So obviously n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. So next case is n plus 4. We have to find out the value of n plus 4. What is n plus 4? Simply add 4 on both sides. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 4. Again in this 3q is divisible, but 4 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 3q plus 4 is not divisible by 3. So out of three cases, only one case is divisible by 3. Remaining two cases are not divisible by 3. So let me go with the second case. So what is the second case? N is equal to 3q plus 1. So here what we have to do again we have n value, we have to find out n plus 2, and we have to find out n plus 4, and we have to check which one of these three is divisible by 3. and remaining two numbers should not be divisible by 3. That is what we have to check. So first of all I am checking for n. In this n, 3q which is divisible by 3, but whereas 1 is not divisible by 3, therefore this total number is not divisible by 3. So in case 1, 3q plus 1 is not divisible by 3. Next I am going to take one more case. What is the second case? N plus 2. So we have to find out n plus 2. Already what is the value of n? N is equal 3q plus 1. Both sides we have to add 2. So if I add 2, what I will get? 3q plus 3. In this 3q is divisible by 3. 3 is also divisible by 3. Therefore sum of multiples of 3 is also divisible by 3. So by this we can conclude that n plus 2 is divisible by 3. So let me go with the third case. What is the third case? We have to find out n plus 4. So both sides I am adding 4. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 1 plus 4. It becomes 3q plus 5. In this 3q plus 5, 3q is divisible by 3, but whereas 5 is not divisible by 3. So here 3q plus 5 is not divisible by 3. Therefore n plus 4 is not divisible by 3. Out of these three cases, first case is not divisible by 3, last case is not divisible by 3, only second case, that is n plus 2, is divisible by 3. Let me explain the third case. What is the third case? N is equal to 3q plus 2. So here we have the value of n required to find n plus 2 and n plus 4, and we have to check which one is divisible by 3. So first of all let me check for n is equal to 3q plus 2. In this, if you observe, 3q is divided by 3, but whereas 2 is not divisible by 3, therefore n is not divisible by 3. Next, let me check for n plus 2. N plus 2 means we have to add 2 on both sides. So n plus 2 will become 3q plus 2 plus 2. So totally it will become 3q plus 4. In this 3q plus 4, 3q is divided by 3, but whereas 4 is not divided by 3. Therefore n plus 2 is not divided by 3. And let me conclude this one with n plus 4. N plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 2 plus 4. So if you find out the solution for this one, this will become 3q plus 6. In this 3q plus 6, 3q is divided by 3 and 6 is also divided by 3. Therefore 3q plus 6 is divided by 3. So what we can conclude? N plus 4 is divided by 3. So out of these three cases, first case is not divisible by 3, second case is not divisible by 3, and third case is divisible by 3. So finally what we can conclude is, take any positive integer n, find n plus 2 and n plus 4, only one out of these three is divided by 3.